Okay, today we are going to learn how we can take any scenario, any test scenario, and convert it into automation ready steps. And you can decide what automation tool or platform you are using. We will take a very general scenario and we will see how we will take use of AI, how we will make use of AI and convert it into automation ready steps. So let's take, we have a login feature and we will see this as a conversation between Alex and Sam. Okay, so let's say we have this login test case or login scenario, and how do we convert it into steps that we can directly use for automation? Okay, so it's not like we can just take a scenario and automate it. We have to convert it step by step into steps. So the step number one is we have to understand the gap. So here, if we say verify user can log in with valid credentials, it is okay for a human, but when we have to do automation, when we have to feed this data into some automation tool or platform, it will not work. So it is not detailed or stepwise enough for an automation tool to understand this. So we have to make it step by step. Now here, step number two will be you can manually create steps, something like this, like atomic steps. Atomic means one action at a time. Open login page, enter email, enter password, click login, verify dashboard, check appear on the home page, etc. Or we can also make use of AI to do this for us. We will see that in a moment. Okay. So it should be like atomic steps, and every step can also have a expected outcome, that after this step what do we expect. For example, open login page, expected outcome is login page should be visible or should be there on the screen. Okay. So now next step is let's use AI to convert into automation ready steps. So we can write a very basic prompt, convert the following test case into step by step automation ready steps, and we will give our scenario. Okay, so let's go to any AI tool. You can go to ChatGPT or Gemini or anything. I will say, we will just say convert this following test case. So convert this following test case into step by step automation ready steps that we can use for automation testing, and then I will give the scenario or the test case. So here it is, verify user can log in with valid credentials. So I will say verify user can log in with valid credentials. Now this test or this prompt is not a very good prompt, a very strong prompt, and we have learned that all in the earlier sessions how to write a better prompt. But for now we are just checking how it will give us a output when we run this prompt, and we want step by step automation ready steps. So you can see here it has given us the steps: launch the application, URL in the browser. So it starts with the step of opening the browser and adding the URL, and then wait for the login page to load completely, locate the username input, everything step by step. Now it has given us still a generic output because we have not given the entire context, what automation tool we are using, what exactly we want to focus on, what format we want, structure, constraints, etc. All this we have learned earlier. So let's try. So as of now we have got clean steps, action oriented steps, but let us now add the automation context. So here we can also add the persona or role prompting. We can say you are a senior QA engineer or a senior SDET. Convert the following test into automation ready steps for UI testing. So we can say what is the context. We want to do UI testing, include clear actions and expected results, and this is our test case. Okay. So let's just try this. I will copy and paste this one here. You are a senior SDET, and convert this following test case into automation ready steps for UI testing, and this is our test case. Verify user can log in with valid credentials. Now see, it is still giving us, it's a better output, but what is missing here, the main thing which is missing is we have not given the automation tool or platform we are using. Okay, although it has given us all these details, step by step, action, expected result for every step. But now, so this is much clear, structured. Let us also do step number 5, which is make it automation tool or platform ready, where we will say convert it into steps suitable for this particular platform or particular automation tool. So I will say here convert this into steps suitable for automation testing using Playwright. And I can also give a language if I want to specify what language I need with JavaScript or whatever we need, and include locator based actions. I will say include locator based actions, and let me check this. So now it will give us much better output. So it has actually given us an entire code that we can use in our Playwright automation framework. So now don't worry if you have not done Playwright or anything. This is just an example that if you start with automation, this is the first step. First you have to make your steps ready for automation, which will give you atomic steps, step by step, what you have to do and expected outcome. Then you can convert it into the automation tool or platform you want to use, and also the specific language if you want to. And this is how it will show you all the details and will be very specific to what you need, and you can directly use it. Okay, so this is how we can make our steps ready for automation using AI. Okay, so it should be very clear, atomic, and we can directly use it for automation. So you can try with some of your scenarios, and I hope this was useful. I will see you soon. Thank you for watching, and never stop learning.